In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the emblem that's on the front grille of this Chevy Silverado. Let's get started. To remove the emblem, it's only held on with 3 little tiny tabs. I'll show you in a second, but you can take a plastic trim tool and stick it right back here. Just pry it out. This one's extra weak because it's old, but if yours was in better condition, it would take a little bit more prying. Basically, on the back side, you have a tab here, one here, and one on the other side. That's all that holds this on. Take the new one and line it up. Basically, make sure it's not upside down, and slide it through. It should click into place. And there we go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.